What is up, guys? We are back in Queenstown. Feels like we never left. We literally left for 1 month and we are back in Queenstown. A bunch of us are actually going to get on the KJET boat. We are going to go on a free ride. There's a guy who's in training, so they need people to ride the boat, so that's what we're going to do. Ready to go. Lego.
Holy Jesus.
Well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous.
This is Ling's first time on the jet boat.
I am not an adrenaline junkie at all.
We can't forget that the guy who's going to be driving it is in training.
That
so
doesn't make it any better.
he might be taking it slow, or he might try to prove himself. I don't know.
Look at all these people paying.
Ooh, we're going to be on the special boat. Oh, it's so big on you!
Not yet.
Photo time. Alright, let's get in the photo, guys.
The mission right now is that I don't fall. That would not be a good way to start.
If you fall in between the boat and then you just go straight into the water.
When I die.
Go away, Dad! Enough with the photos, Dad. You're embarrassing me.
Oh, he walked away before we left.
No, he's gonna go to the end.
Guys, how are we all doing?
Good, good.
Good, you?
Yeah, pretty good. Lovely day. Just here just for a photo shot.
Still has his flash on.
Sweet guys, you can stand up now.
This is not a nice angle, Mark. Like 10.
Just gonna do a loop of the bay quick, do a quick spin. You guys feel for it.
Yes.
Yeah, sweet. So now we've left the lake, now we're on the Kara River. We're going to carry on down here and then we'll make our way up the shot of our
When I cry for me, I cry. With tears of hope that you hold all the days of staying calm. Did I ever say I'd never play or fly through all the sun? Maybe in the meantime something song.
That was so convincing.
Holy Jesus. Yeah, I can see Sam and Andrew.
Although I see Jordan.
Holy Jesus.
Our dad is not here to greet us.
Oh, he is.
Where's Dad?
He's all suited.
Yeah, our dad just kind of fucked off.
I've never seen him so daddish until today.
I know. He had the dad hat.
Yeah, taking photos with the flashlight. I'll let Jordan's there.
Holy! That's such a dad move.
Marianne. No,
Do not fall into the water.
I have it on film, so thank you. That was so awesome. There we go. Thank you. Are you guys ready for the ride of your life?
Yeah, hopefully we don't die. Where's Antonio?
There's a lot of spitting, I'll tell you that much.
I don't know where he is. Can't believe that. I thought Antonio was going to be gone.
Yeah.
Dad, you weren't there to take our photo, Dad, when we arrived.
Sorry. Sorry, kid.
Sorry, son. Sorry to disappoint you. The photos are free. We just scan this, and Bob's your uncle. Jordan, you
I'll
can
take a
borrow
picture of you
those. You,
guys.
might need them.
Right.
The wind when you're traveling at 95 Ks.
I won't lose them.
No, you won't. They'll stay
The
glued
wind's
to you.
pushing into your face.
Have fun, guys. Just don't lose my sunglasses. Any last words?
Nah, should be fine.
Smile, guys.
She said smile, Sam, not prepare for food.
Thanks, guys. Have fun.
Bye. Now Dad is riding the boat.
Have fun, Dad.
Don't forget to turn the flash off.